In this video, I will be sailing all the way around the island of Oahu in Hawaii. The trip should be about 120 miles, and I'll be stopping at Makua Bay, Waimea Bay, and Kaneohe Bay along the way. For the majority of the trip, the winds were too light to make any good fast progress, so we were mostly sailing at 3 to 4 knots downwind, which made the wind even lighter. I finally left the harbor after about a month of being stuck there working on the fuel tank and whatnot. The trip took about 12-13 hours, went pretty slow, but I'm here now. It's a great location. Just past Kaneohe Point, we're gonna go to Waimea Bay today instead of Kaneohe Bay, just because it's kind of a beat to get there. It's gonna take a while. I set up the wind vane, so now we don't have to sit here and steer the boat manually. Super nice. We tacked about an hour ago. We're headed towards Waimea now. Conditions are pretty rough. It's blowing 20-22 knots, but the vane's doing a great job of just putting us on course. The killer. Just dropped anchor at Waimea Bay. It's quite the beat to get here, but it's an awesome anchorage. Pulled anchor, headed to Kaneohe Bay. Quite a ways past Kaneohe Point. We're gonna beat out for a few more miles and then tack and head towards Makua. Wind vane is doing perfect, holding us on course. channel markers now. Low shot. Been hanging out at Kualoa for the past 2 or 3 days, but I'm gonna pull anchor now and head back to Honolulu. That'll be my last stretch of sailing around Oahu. It's a super low tide. The reef is completely dry over there. I'm going through the sampan channel instead of the Kualoa channel because I don't want to beat into wind and waves. I'd rather just beat into wind. Kaneohe is great except for the mud. I'm now rounding Mokapu Point. There's Mokumanu and there's Mokapu Point. I'm pretty close to Makua Lighthouse. It's maybe 3 miles away, but the wind completely died, so I'm just motoring out. But there's no waves, so it's a nice ride. I'm happy. There's Makua Lighthouse. I'm going around it now. Nice sail now, going downwind, 5 to 7 knots. I made it to Waikiki. It's been a super good sail, probably by far my most pleasant sail yet. At least to Kaneohe and back. I'm gonna anchor here for a few nights until I get my boat hauled out to paint the bottom and fix the rudder. I dropped the anchor, now I just gotta dive down and make sure it's set. Today is my 4th day at Waikiki, I believe. The waves have gotten pretty big and they're breaking around the boat, so I'm going to pull anchor and head to Kaneohe Harbor to spend a few days before I get the boat hauled out. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I will be sailing from Oahu to Molokai.